How to reset Instagram algorithm. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Instagram algorithm and refresh your content recommendations. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once doing that, you will land to your profile page. In this page, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. Once you tap on it, now inside it, here you will need to scroll down. Here you will need to scroll down until you find what you see section. Inside it, here you'll be able to locate suggested content option. Tap on it. This feature allows you to clear current recommendations across Explore, Reels and your main feed. Select the option Interested on the very top, and then inside it here you'll be able to see the reels or posts that you have marked as interested. Now you will need to delete it by simply tapping and holding the reels and then selecting all of the reels available here. Once after doing that, at the very bottom you'll be able to locate Remove option. Tap on Remove. Now this will clear the post you were interested in. Now after doing that, tap on the arrow at the top left and then tap on the second option Not Interested, and inside it repeat the same process from the previous. Tap and hold the reel, then tap on the Remove option at the very bottom. By doing so, you'll be able to remove the post or reel that you are not interested in. Similarly, you can choose another options from here and clear them. Also note that this action cannot be undone, so you will need to proceed it further with caution. After resetting and reviewing all the accounts you follow and adjusting them, you have successfully reset your Instagram algorithm. Now this will help the algorithm of Instagram to learn your preferences over time. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.